Hi folks, welcome to another session of Let's Talk. Today we are going to extend our talk with respect to ISO 22301, which is the business continuity management system. And most of the people are actually asking about why business continuity, and because as we are mentioning that all organizations are ongoing concerns, so why business continuity and why disaster recovery and why this concept exists. So basically, most of the people, the standards are old standards, and most of the people were actually implementing it. But after Iraq War and after the fall of the towers, the World Twin Towers, most of the companies actually they went out of business, and nobody knows whether they were existed sometimes or they were not. The reason being, the data itself or the business information itself got lost during that two major crises, and that's why people have now thought about going into a business continuity plan or a disaster recovery plan, taking data backup and all those things. So it has started more, and most recently what has happened is that most of the manual efforts have actually gone out of the business now, so you will not find more manual efforts. Everything is flowing into the information systems. So whatever information systems we have put in our companies, the cameras and all those things, and I'm talking on a social media now, this is also an information which is flowing on a social media platform. So now if this video or my mobile phone go or my camera get damaged or something happens to this information, and if I will lose this information which I am talking to you itself. So that's why we have to think about what is my backup strategy, how I can continue and to deliver, how I can safeguard that information. The most important aspect which is used in the ISO 27001, which is the information security or system management system, it is all about safeguarding the information with respect to its confidentiality, with respect to its availability, and with respect to its integrity. Now, if this is the concern and I have to safeguard my business information, so I also have to safeguard that if something happens to my physical premises or my physical equipment, now where this information can be saved in another site, so that if I am in problem, so I can just recover it from some other site. So some people will have a question, why business continuity? Business is going for smoothly. So the answer to this is that it is required because nobody have ever thought that we are going to have a pandemic situation. Okay, nobody has ever thought that we will be going into remote learning. Nobody ever thought that we are going to be not allowed to travel to our home countries and we have to rely on the social media to talk to our loved ones. So that and nobody has ever thought that we will be doing groceries online and shopping online and physically not be buying anything for some time when there was a restriction. So the things are changing. Okay, so business are also having risks, so you cannot avoid the risks. The risk will be always there. So the ongoing concern achieving your business objectives will have some risks. So if we don't upgrade ourselves with respect to the technology, though the companies are going to close down. So that is a requirement, a huge requirement from the point of view of business operations, to keep on going, keep your data in a backup place, or have a strategy in place that if some risks materializes, so I am able to continue my business operations, at least my critical business operations. Or if there is a disaster, or if there is a sort of earthquake or some natural disaster, heavy raining and all those things, so how I can make sure that my businesses or business operations are going to continue, because everybody will be looking towards me if I am a cloth provider or if I am a shoes provider. So everybody will have some expectations. So if I am not going to cater to their expectation and I go out of business, so they are going to find another place to buy those stuff. So it is very important to understand that the business continuity is very much important. For some of the industries it is very much critical. For example, pharmaceutical have its own business continuity challenges, because people will need, and medical equipment manufacturers also has to be considering the business continuity efforts. In COVID-19 situation, most of the companies, okay, they have to actually produce more and more efforts to continue their business despite of lots and lots of restrictions. So that is how they were managed to deliver you the equipments you need, the vaccinations you need, even though there were restrictions for people. The frontline runners were working. So that's how is the advantage of business continuity, because if you have these plans in place how to continue your business operation despite constraints, so then you're going to survive on the disaster, whatever may be the disaster itself. So BCP has its own dimensions with different companies or the sectors itself. For food manufacturing, the business continuity operations are different. In pandemic, some of the cloth manufacturing industries, they switched over to making masks, because they actually thought instead of laying off the people, it is better for them to start making masks from the clothes itself with the fancy mask. So this is how you actually go beyond and out of the box to continue a business operations despite lots and lots of constraint with no business, no, and you were able to create an economic value out of your business itself. So that is how the business BCP can help. If we talk about the airline industry, which is having a lots and lots of problem nowadays because there are lots and lots of restrictions, so they are concentrating their efforts into cargo, and they are taking the cargo here and there so that they can survive. So this is how the business continuity can be very much helpful, and we are going to have some videos on how to implement BCP for different sectors. So kindly keep posted yourself on this channel so that you can come across and you can listen to the videos which I am going to upload in future. See you then with another standard in near future. Bye for now.